Welcome to Simply Hunt Outdoors. I'm Jordan Jones. Today I'm out here doing some summer scouting for deer, but I wanted to bring you a video from the past. It's a hunt with me and my sister back in April 2020, and I wound up shooting a nice gobbler at 5 yards. Hope you enjoy this video. Guys, please like and subscribe to our page. Let's get into it. There's a bunch of birds this morning. There's 3 or 4 birds over here on this side. There's a group up on this hill, and there's some down this creek bottom. I think there's plenty of turkeys in here. Let's get our camo on. We're ready to go. All right, we got here really late, and as we were walking in, the birds started walking out. So we didn't get much of a chance to get on the birds. It was pretty cool. We stood there probably for, an hour? Couldn't move. And now the birds finally moved off. A subordinate bird went behind us, just called him in. He just ran out. We weren't paying attention. But those birds went this way. So we're gonna try to get all the way around this creek here. There's a creek right here in front of us. So we're gonna see if we can get across it and cut off these birds. We think we know where they're going. Let's go do it. This nice buck kind of in between us and the turkeys. They're just on the other side. So me and JC finally got across that creek, and now these birds have moved off of the top field down to a pond. These birds are getting really fired up. Me and JC know that we have to close the distance. So me and JC finally get set up on the other side of the pond, and when we do, these birds come in fast. It was really cool to see these 2 birds strut all the way from across the pond. So I shot that bird, and as we were walking up to check out my bird I had just killed, 2 other gobblers walk out on the other side of the pond. So me and JC decide to grab the Montana decoy and the bird we had just shot and try to bring these gobblers in as close as we can, just for some fun. It's too bad we're tagged out. That's a cool experience. Man, that was a really cool hunt. I'm hoping you guys are enjoying these hunts from the past. Me and my sister had a blast that day. It was super cool to have those 2 birds come in after I just shot that turkey. I couldn't believe it. We used that dead bird to cover up JC, and I used the Montana decoy, and those 2 birds came right in pretty close, as you can see on video. That was just too cool. Unfortunately, we had already filled all of our tags, so we couldn't shoot those 2 birds, but that was still awesome, still awesome. Hope you guys are enjoying the stuff we're putting out. We got more content to come, so keep watching, subscribe, like, and we'll see you guys on the next video.